Today we have a remote control Millenium Falcon from Airhogs. And we're going to try opening it, see what we could do with it.
It looks actually really safe since the propellers are inside. Last time we had a helicopter that was just plain evil. Alright, let's open it. Alright.
We have here the ship, which is actually very light.
We have the manual, how to do it. And we have this pre-flight checklist. Pre-flight checklist. The manual.
And we have the controller and the charger.
Controller. Oh my god. It's actually made from foam and it feels like rubber.
So here we have the controls. It's kind of like an Xbox controller, if you think about it. Here is the charger for the remote and the up and down rotation buttons. And here's the on and off. And I believe this is the nothing. I think it's just the light. And I think these two right here, these are the hyperspace, and one of them I don't know yet. And then there's also right here the sound, if you want no sound or sound. And here we're gonna unscrew these so we can put the batteries in. 6 AA batteries. Got them?
That's a lot of batteries. Batteries not included. Trash man, throw it away. Ooh, and we have the Millenium Falcon. It has 4 propellers, has the cockpit, and it's pretty well detailed. At the bottom, you can also see the guns, and on top, it is actually very detailed. It's actually made from foam, kind of rubbery actually. So it's really safe for kids. It's really nice. Yeah. And oh, it seems to have like a light here. I guess it turns on. Wait, let me see the packaging. Yeah, I think it turns on. That's amazing. It turns on from the back for like, maybe that's why it's called hyperspace mode. There's a hyperspace mode, maybe click it, the light turns up, I don't know, but we'll check it out. Wait, how do you get batteries in here?
It's chargeable.
Oh. Let's see the manual. Oh. Let's check. Oh, that is awesome. So the controller actually charges the Millenium Falcon. Pew 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 pew. Pew 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 pew. Hit the hyperdrive, shall we?
You actually turned it on?
Look at it.
Wait, how do you turn it on? Yeah.
Just turn it on. Oh, yeah. Stop it!
And it even has sound effects. It's the